Hi, I'm Dan from the We Want Bars and Nightlife in Southwater, Telford page, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Tenpin bowling alley, and I'm joined by my niece and nephew, Xander and Rosa. Would you like to introduce yourselves?
Hi, I'm Rosa and I'm 12. I'm Xander and I'm 10.
So in today's review we're going to be giving you an idea of a young person's experience in using the bowling alley, as well as what it'd be like for some adults using it in the evening. So we're going to have a few games of bowling, we're going to have a few games of pool, user machines and a little bit of karaoke. So hopefully you'll enjoy this review. Now I'm going to show you as we walk in. It's a lot different to what I remember, because when I was younger the toilets used to be in that direction. Now you've got all the machines. You've got all the machines here, which I think they were there before, but you've got your check-in reception here. You've got your eating spaces in the middle, pool tables over there. Now if I just walk down here, more machines down there. And you've got your raised alley here, which we'll be using today. And you've got your different alleys down there. And in the middle, you've got table tennis tables as well. So a lot different to what I remember. You've got your toilets down there, and later on we'll be using the karaoke booth. I'm going to show you what that's about as well. Okay, so we're going to show you when you set the lane up. I think it's really cool. It's a lot different to what I remember when I was younger. So Rose is going to go ahead. She's just been shown how to do it. So it gives you the warnings and everything. Got the free players. Now we put the names in. And what you can do, which I'll show you in a second, is you can choose whether to have your bumpers up for each person, which I think is cool. I'm not sure whether that's the case back in the day. So if Rosa puts yes for her and Xander, and I will show you when it goes up in a second when we start playing. But yeah, so you pick if you're having your bumpers up. But this is a cool feature. You can have a group selfie, which is cool, and that is displayed then on the screen. So if I just close in a little bit, zoom in, and then you've got your team there up on the screen, which I think is cool. So we're going to zoom back out again. And then you can modify your actual, if you want to go back to having no bumpers on, you can go back to the screen and change it. And so Rose is going to go first. I'm going to pretend like I don't really want to win it, but I actually do want to win. So look, we're going to show you where you take your individual photo for the game, which I think is good. It's just another cool little thing that you can do, and it just makes the game a bit more personal. Now, since Anders took his shot, I'm going to show you the guardrail then goes down for my go. I just think this is a really good thing. Okay, so I think this is a really good addition to Tenpin bowling, is that you can order your food and drinks to the alley, which is a good addition. You can see this type of thing in places like Wetherspoons, where you can have food and drink brought to the table. In a short while we're going to go off and have some snacks, so we're going to order some nachos. I'm going to show you how really easy it is to do. You basically just scan the QR code on the table, and you pick the bowling alley that you're at, the aisle that you're at, the alley that you're at, we're at number 1, and you order the food and drink. We're going to go for some nachos and some mocktails. I might have a cocktail myself, and then we'll go and have them and have a short break. But I think it's a really quick and easy thing to do, and then the food and drink gets brought to your table, and when it arrives we'll show you what it's like.
Hi you guys, I've got your nachos for you.
That's brilliant, thank you.
Enjoy.
That's excellent, thank you very much. So guys, what do you think of your cuddles on the beach? That's a really nice cocktail, really fresh, perfect. So I'm just going to close in on the nachos. You've got all the sauces, and you've got the jalapenos, guacamole, just really, really spicy and nice. You've got dried onions on there as well. You like your nachos?
Yeah, I haven't had nachos in ages, but That's the first time I've had proper good nachos.
Very good spice too, isn't it? It matches out with the savoury, the sauces, all of it combines together to equal a very...
Yeah, with a bit of spice as well, not too much.
Yeah,
Like, I can't handle spice, but
it's a little
that was nice.
like little spice kick to it.
I think that it was very good for any audience. Like, you have this, if you're not that good at proper bowling, this will do the trick. And these balls over here, any sizes and any weight. So if you want to challenge yourself, you can have extra large. If you want to go easy, you can have extra extra small. And I just think it's a very family-friendly place. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who goes bowling if they want to go bowling. Definitely go here. Food, drinks are brilliant, really good.
So we finished our 2 games of bowling. Rosa won both, champion. I've ordered our meals on the app, which is really good. I'm going to go to one of the booths over there. I'm going to have our meals. I'm going to show you what the food's like, and then we're going to do a bit of karaoke in a bit, and also a few games of pool, and show you all the machines in here as well. So looking forward to that.
I've got your drinks for you. So I've got a mojito and 2 mixed slushies. I'll just go and grab your food for you now.
That's great, thank you.
2 seconds. I've got your core food. So I've got a chicken nuggets and chips, a fries and chicken wings, a chicken burger and chips, and a hot dog and chips.
That's great.
Is there anything else I can get you?
That's it, thank you, that's
Lovely,
great.
thank you.
Thank you. So in all my reviews, I always show the menu just to give people an idea of what's on offer and the prices. So you can see here, you've got a range of burgers and you've got some hot dogs as well, some nuggets. So a good range, family-friendly menu. On this side of the menu, you can see you've got your curly fries, you've got your pizza, your sharers, combos, paninis. So you've got a variety of things that you can get from the menu, and reasonably priced in my opinion. So moving on to the drinks menu, you've got a wide range of alcohol and non-alcohol drinks as well. You can see the prices on here. So Rosa, what did you think of your chicken burger and chips?
I think the chicken burger was delicious, the chicken was juicy, it had good flavours like peppery and salty.
Right, Xander, what do you think of your nuggets and chips?
I think the chicken was very crispy and the chips were salty. I like them.
So you've got 45 minutes and we'll just start your session right now. So with these buttons, you click here to get the volume higher for your music and here for your microphone. If it's too loud, you've got these 2 buttons here. If you need anything from us, any help, just click this button and someone will come straight to you. So with this, you've got all the different genres, whatever you want to do. You've got your karaoke party, you've got rap and hip hop music, whatever you'd like, it's just down here. With your search, you can search up any songs you like. Whatever song you'd like, it would come up. So for example, if I just show you Let It Go from Frozen, you can sing now, or you can sing, add it, if I pause that, you can add it, next song, or you can add it to your queue as well. Down here, you can click on any. If we go on, say Carnival Sounds, or you can add next to your queue that's from whatever song you like. Awesome. Perfect.
That's great. I thought karaoke was a right laugh. You can see here it's £20 for 30 minutes, £40 for 1 hour. I think this would be really good for a work night out or a party.
To get karaoke, the arcade, to get to read, to get to do bowling, all that stuff merged into one. And I think if you want to have a fun day out, like Rosa said,
go to this place.
You can book into any of the activities via their website tenpin.co.uk.